Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Italian chicken with pesto rice and a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out in the pan of my Ninja Speedi. I have 2 cups of white rice. Now this is raw and cooked rice or par cooked rice. It's just regular rice. And I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. We also use just water. And I'm going to give that a stir. Get that well soaked. Alright, I'm going to put my tray in the top. Pull the little feet out so it stays up. Place that down in there. Now I have some chicken breast here. I marinated it in Italian dressing for about an hour and a half. It'd be best if you could do them overnight. If you don't have the time, an hour and a half is fine. I'm going to get them in the Speedi on that tray. And these are huge chicken breast. So I'm only going to be able to put 3 in here. And one isn't going to be for one person for one serving. Alright, now that I have my chicken in there, you want to throw away this leftover dressing because you can't use it now. I'm going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning on top of my chicken. And I want to press that down a little bit. Alright, I'm going to close my lid and make sure we're set on rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to turn on my Ninja Speedi. We're already set on Speedi meals and we need it at 390. I'm going to set my time for 15 minutes. Now I'll look at that about halfway through to make sure my chicken isn't getting too brown. If it's getting too brown, I'll turn it over and let the other side brown. Alright, my chicken's done. I had to let it go for a total of 20 minutes because it's so thick. I'm going to get this out and set it aside so we can move on with the rice. Alright, now I'm going to take a jar of basil pesto. This is 6.7 ounces. We're going to go ahead and put that whole jar in there. We want this rice to have a good pesto flavor. And pesto is delicious, guys. Alright, a little bit off there. Now I'm going to add in some half and half. I'm going to try about a half a cup. And I'm going to stir that into the rice. I think I'm going to put a little more half and half in there. So that's about a cup. Smelling good, guys. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, I'm going to start with this chicken. Super juicy. It's tender. It's well seasoned. Moist. I wish I would have reserved some Italian dressing to serve over top of it, but it's still delicious the way it is. Try this rice. That's delicious. Right away you get that basil from the pesto. You're getting that Parmesan cheese that's in there. That's really delicious. It was really easy, a one-pot meal. Italian chicken and pesto rice in a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.